LM Studio versus GPT4All. Which local LLM tool wins? Choosing the right local language model tool can completely change how you enhance productivity without the hassle of cloud dependency. Let's briefly explore both options. LM Studio and GPT4All are two powerful local language model tools. The core difference lies in their architecture and intended use cases, with LM Studio focusing on customizable workflows, while GPT4All emphasizes versatility and ease of access. LM Studio is a robust local language model tool designed for developers and businesses looking for customizable AI solutions. It allows users to create tailored workflows that can integrate seamlessly into existing systems. With features such as model fine-tuning and extensive API support, LM Studio excels in providing a flexible environment for specific applications. However, its complexity may present a learning curve for new users. Ideal for tech-savvy individuals or teams, LM Studio is perfect for those who require a high degree of customization and control over their AI models. GPT4All is a user-friendly local language model tool that prioritizes accessibility and versatility. Designed for a wide range of users, it offers a straightforward interface that simplifies the process of deploying language models. With its pre-trained models and easy setup, GPT4All is perfect for users who want quick results without diving deep into technical configurations. While it may not provide the same level of customization as LM Studio, its strengths lie in its adaptability for various tasks, making it suitable for both casual users and professionals looking for an efficient solution. When comparing LM Studio and GPT4All, consider your specific needs. If you require a highly customizable tool for complex applications, LM Studio is the better choice. Its ability to fine-tune models allows for tailored solutions in specialized industries. Conversely, if you seek a straightforward tool for general use, GPT4All shines with its ease of access and quick setup. For instance, a development team might benefit from LM Studio's intricate features, while a small business could find GPT4All's simplicity more advantageous for immediate tasks. Weighing these scenarios can help determine the right fit for your requirements. For those needing advanced customization and control, LM Studio is the clear recommendation. If you prefer ease of use and quick deployment, GPT4All is the way to go. Both tools have their unique strengths, so choose based on your specific needs for the best results.